That's your bus? Is that a car? What's happening? Are you making its wheels spin? Did the wheels go round and round? All through the town? That's amazing! Try again. Keep trying. Is that funny?
Look at them.
Is that your bus? Can you say car? Are you making its wheels go round and round? All through the town? Do you want to see the car drive? Hand it to Mom. I'll show you how to make it drive. Want to see? Watch. You pull it back. And then let it go. Whoa! Frank is playing with that right now, Charlie. You guys should have more cars like that somewhere.
Again.
You want me to try again? Okay, 1 second. All you do is pull it back. And then whee! Oh, whoa! Frank, let Charlie show you. Charlie can make it drive. Come here, Charlie, you show him. Oh. Hey, Frank. Oh, just drive it one time and let him have it back.
No, he wants the car that doesn't pull back and drive.
Well, you've got to let him play with one, Charlie. Drive the car so he can have it. Very good. Who are you calling a fart face?
Yeah.
Why? I gave you a turn with it even though Frank was playing with it. That's not me being a fart face. You want me to make it drive? Watch, I'll show you. You just take it and you just pull it back like this. And then let go. Oh, I did it backwards. Is that funny? You pull it back like this. And then let go. You try. You can do it. Okay, I'll do it again. What do you say? Char, don't tease him. Charlie, do not do that. That's not nice. And he's pretty strong, too. You want me to make the car drive? Okay, one more time. Ready? Ready?
Go.
Whee! I love you.
Bus.